You guys are ever looking for a good birthday idea? Cody, tell me what you're doing.
I went to Walmart and got I called some logo shops. I was like, hey, could I send you a picture and you print it on a shirt? And they're like, yeah, we can. And they're like, it'll take like 7 business days. So I was like, no, because I got to give him a present today. My friend Cash. Well, Dad told me that there's like this paper that you can put in a printer. You print it and then you flip it over and iron it. So cool. I printed off a really good picture of Cash.
I think he's going to love it.
Yeah, we kept trying again, but like, wait,
you already tried it? And it didn't work?
Printing. It was rough printing, so I didn't. We tried one more and it just kept messing up. So I'm like, we got one, we're gonna call it.
We can't do them.
Yeah, it looks great. So it's special paper that you print any picture on, and then you iron it on.
Yeah, this may botch real bad.
I have a feeling it is not gonna work out very well.
I followed the instructions. We'll find out.
Okay.
But Lincoln said we gotta wait because Lincoln really wants to see it.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen,
really wants to see it.
Look at my art when I was 9.
Hi, you're just laying in there.
Lay down.
Yeah, she's happy.
Yeah, okay.
What will she do if you close her in there?
I did.
And does she like it?
Look at me.
She's not even making a fuss.
If you take out all the things, like I made that when I was 9.
Nice.
But remember when we did your closet and I was putting lady in your drawers?
Yes.
Yeah, I closed her for a long time.
Well, she's like thrilled. Oh, your laundry that I love to sit on?
No, she's disappointed because it's not the dirty
You could give me
pile.
the stinky stuff. That'd be great.
She's like, what is this artificial garbage?
The dirtier the underwear, the better.
It's okay. You're just gross. It's fine.
I wish this thing still worked.
The prettiest ones usually are. What?
This thing still worked. It'd be my phone. Oh, yeah.
It was a sad day when they told me I had to...
They forced Joel out of it. Sad day.
I mean, what kind of country is this?
The best country in the whole world.
That's right. Oh, making space, are we?
You know.
No, she willingly laid down. Okay, see ya when it's bedtime.
Good night.
I want to see if she'll make a noise. Lady!
Should we go? You hear?
She doesn't even care.
You,
like,
Mom,
wait,
you're
why
like,
are you
lady. Mom, you're like, lady. She goes, because her head's like.
Yeah, she doesn't even care.
Wake me up in the morning.
Look, you will fall asleep in 2 seconds.
Hello, lady.
Put your huge, massive head down.
Look, she will. She willingly goes down.
Imagine Dad just wakes up and like Dad's getting his drawers.
She doesn't even care. She doesn't even care.
He's like, oh, this is nice. You can just turn it dark in 2 seconds.
She doesn't even care. Oh. That's the funniest thing ever.
She's seriously just staying down there. Like, what is this thing? It'd be great. 2 minutes. No steam.
No scare.
No moisture. It said it can't have any moisture. And then it says you can't wash it for 48 hours.
Why don't you tell Cash that?
Do you know what I find interesting? This art project, nobody asked me to help.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Ugh, this is awkward. Just figuring that out.
Nobody would ask me because
You already
I can't do concrete. I can't do crafts. I can't do anything.
You don't know technology.
Really pretty girl.
Technology.
Pretty girl doesn't have to do anything.
Technology.
Wait, do that. Do that same thing. And then
The forehead. I love when you slick your hair back. It's my favorite.
I know. Like even when I was
look like you're
5, I remember always saying it's the best.
I like it because I see the shape of Mom's head, and if Mom had like no hair, I would love it.
Well, plan on me being like shaving it when I'm older.
Why?
My goal is to be a beautiful bald woman. I'm not kidding.
We have the same idea.
Or like super duper short. Like if I had like
Yeah, I figure you'll probably have short hair when you get older. I figure you'll have like short grandma hair. Yeah. Mom just doesn't have thick hair.
You know, as thick bushy hair is.
Not even. It's so thin. You feel that?
Well, mine's thinner than yours,
It
so.
Well, I have some pretty thick hair, so. You're not as thick as hair.
I'll tell you what, if I wouldn't have done my hair, we would have been
In trouble.
That would have been rough. I would have.
I need an after. We almost done here.
I said 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
It's been
Oh, he's like following the rules and stuff. Is that what you have to do on craft
How's
projects?
gonna turn out?
Is that why I'm no good at crafts?
Wait.
You don't follow recipes, so why would you follow instructions?
Create my own.
My head shape's weird.
Wow, you just got your hair wet just for that, just to show us?
Yeah.
Let me see the color of your eyes.
Can we feel it now?
Oh, cute. Look right at me. Let me see the color of your eyes.
It's gonna be trash.
Oh, yeah. Come here, Cody. Come here.
What?
Face the light. Look at me. Look at the lens. That. Look at. No, honey, what are you.
You told me to like.
Look over at the lens.
Okay.
That is my craft project. You see the color of those beautiful eyes? Look at the window. Oh, yeah. Look at the window. Stay there.
I believe you needed me for that craft project as well.
Look at the window.
Looking out the
Wow.
window.
The color of those eyes.
Are they good? Green?
Oh, yeah. Okay, we showed Lincoln's. We showed Boss. Or come here, Bossy. Let's look at yours. Come on. Come on. Let me see my third craft project. Look at the window. What are you? Okay, look at the.
I can shake my eyes.
Did you know that I can do that?
Do what?
Do what?
Okay, look at the window. Look at the window. Stop doing that.
You
I
can
should
shake
just
your
see the
eyes?
color.
I can't.
I got a large, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm never gonna get to see the color of your eyes. Do you have a baby sty in your eye? Well, that's because I contributed to the craft
that's your
project.
craft project, too.
All right, Bossy, hold the camera.
Me and Mom have like the most similar eyes of all time.
Let me just make sure I don't have any
Similar eyes.
makeup creased under my eyes.
You don't.
No sweat stains or salt buildup around my eyebrows. Sweat. Okay. Tell me if you can see the color of my eyes.
Dad, is this a chicken?
Can
or a
you?
duck?
Yes. Wow, that's perfect.
Wow. No, see, now it's blurry. I already know. Can you see? Is it blurry?
No?
Watch this.
Yes, it is.
Whoa. Can I do that?
I think so.
We gotta see.
I just have a feeling that this just may not work out how
No, it
we're
doesn't need all
hoping.
fingers. The thing is, that is gonna be really hot.
Is it best to let it?
Oh, I said rip it out immediately.
It did say immediately.
Okay, I wouldn't wait then.
3, 2. What comes after 2? Okay.
I'm scared.
Me too.
I'm scared.
I don't.
Wait, I don't think I'm pulling.
I don't think
off
it.
the
I
right
think.
thing.
Whoa! Let me heat
You
this
gotta
back up.
separate
we gotta heat
it.
that back up. I think
Do you want some tweezers?
Maybe. I think.
Because I can't be pulling. I gotta. It's a sticker, right? These things are like stickers.
Kinda. You gotta be able to get underneath it.
Would you like tweezers?
Those are in my way.
I kind of always hated these.
Okay. Let's see.
They're weird.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I can see something is.
I can see the color.
Yeah.
It's not. I don't think it's separating.
Guys,
We may have to reprint and try again.
we're gonna miss.
No. How about this? Instead of this, we.
Yeah, it's not a sticker. You just guess it should come
I
out.
What are
think
you
we
gonna
just
give to him when you
it.
go tonight?
I already have something.
Okay, well, yeah, okay.
And I spent my
He's got
time on
something.
mine. Nope.
Oh my.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Well, folks. Oh my gosh.
Hot.
Let me see. It did. I mean,
Did
I
nothing.
think we can try it again and lay it down.
my.
There's
Let's
nothing lay it down.
Unplug this. Let's go print one more. Let's try it one more time. Let's go print one more.
What did we do wrong?
I don't know. Unplug that. Let's go.
How about
Trash.
it says on the packaging use white cotton.
But that shouldn't matter. The color won't matter. It just means your picture will show up better.
Trash.
We're going to try number 2 on this because the first one did not work. It printed well, but the reason it kind of looked funky was because this paper is meant for a inkjet printer and ours is a laser jet, and we didn't realize that till after, and it didn't work. So
Yeah, the paper was like, don't use laser, use ink.
yeah, so we were wrong, and it just didn't work, which is why we have this mess. So I'm hoping that
Little box.
this will.
The camera makes, you can see it better in the camera.
Can you? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks really bad.
I wanted to get him a Dundee's award. I
Dundee's
saw one at Smith and Edwards. I was like, I'm totally gonna get him this next time I come here, but we never went back
really
again.
Funny. That's okay.
And then I thought about giving him my Michael Scott bobblehead, but then I was like, I kind of want that for myself still. Don't want to give it to him.
Yeah, I don't know if that's
And then I was like, this will be great.
this is fun.
It was super cheap. It's really simple, but we made it harder because we didn't follow.
Yeah, and we called every single store in the valley.
They're like, we don't have
the laser jet version, and so we were like, luckily I was over at a
neighbors.
friend's house, and I was like, can I borrow your printer for a second? Mom is actually up at the top of our property having a friend clean the garbage cans. Go show Mom from the window.
Yeah, he's our baseball coach. Coaches me in Boston in baseball.
Yeah, and he's like, oh, this is what I do on the side. So
He's cleaning our
like,
garbage
Our
cans.
garbage cans smell like a
Horrible.
dumpster fire. So
What even made him stink? I think maybe, did we take the neighbor's garbage can? They didn't smell terrible.
What I think it was food got thrown away like on the first day of like the garbage cans were fresh or just had been emptied, and then some like
Just sat there
food
for a week.
got thrown away that was like spoiled or something, and that just
It smelled terrible.
that
It was
ended
pretty bad.
It was really bad.
All right, after my observation, I put it on for like 2 seconds, and I did a little test right here, and it came off perfectly. Like, watch. See that? Look at that. See that little black line? Look, I go out to you.
Don't put your thing over top of that now though, because it will melt that. Oh, see, no. See, yeah.
And so then I go for this long until it sticks. Like, the paper stick down, and
Yeah.
I don't think that was long enough.
Yeah, I think that might have been long enough.
I got a little too excited. So I go right here. Just watch.
Don't run the
Go
iron
back.
over
Yeah,
that.
that long, and then boom, you can see it.
Okay.
You should ruin your board.
I think we need to go just a little
And I
bit
burned
longer.
my
Yeah,
finger
we'll
because
go
I
just a
touched
little
it.
bit longer. Okay, hold on. Let me get this thing set
Why
in
does
place.
this feel like
You gotta have it.
Gotta get
My
it
finger hurts so bad.
as much as it's gonna be.
That's
Okay, that's as close as it's gonna be. I wonder if you can. Yeah.
Yep.
Just go for it.
Just go for it.
One,
Not
Try
crazy.
again.
2,
Guess
3,
you probably go print off another
4.
one. Maybe.
No, I don't think we
Okay.
need to. We're gonna make
Six.
this
Gotta
work.
get this
7.
all good.
I think you're good.
Can't burn it. Like the second we start seeing those black spots,
Oh yeah.
gotta stop.
So I almost wonder.
Now.
No,
it
it's
one
not
more
now.
little pass.
Because we don't want to ruin the shirt. Because that's what we have to lose. If we ruin the shirt by like adding it random,
Mm-hmm.
we just can't.
Okay, I don't want to get too hot.
Okay, that's probably good.
Hold up, let me just do one more little pass there.
Okay.
That is good. That is neat.
Very, very neat.
That is good.
Second larger.
Take it a large, yeah.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, Code. I'm gonna leave you to just go for it. Still not. No. Still not enough. No.
Not long enough?
I don't think so.
Or did we crisp it?
I don't think so.
I
don't
think
know.
you're pushing your limits.
I think we went a little too long.
Okay, I wouldn't go too much
Okay,
more.
go.
Yeah, I can start seeing those.
Go from that end.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Is it separating?
Yes, it is. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at
Oh baby.
Oh no.
this. It's pretty black.
Pretty black. Well, keep going. Hold on. Ay.
Probably the worst shirt I've ever seen in my life. Cody, you.
Better get the face. You better get the face.
Oh, it's drying. It got too cold. That's why they say remove it immediately. Oh, we ruined the shirt.
No, wait.
Shoot,
We can
one more
wash it.
time.
No, we can
We
wash
can't.
it.
How you? No, I won't wash.
Go over it.
Because it says don't wash
Does
for
Olivia have
45
like a junky?
minutes.
Do you have a junky shirt?
I have
It's
nothing.
plain.
Nope, I don't got nothing.
I
Plain. No, it's okay. Okay, well, it was a swing. Not quite a swing and a miss, but it was a swing.
It was a
and
swing, a
foul
pop
ball.
fly.
No,
There was
no,
a
no.
swing and a pop fly.
That's not terrible
Okay, look,
quality
we
though.
can
Like,
figure
that's
this
not
out.
terrible.
Yeah,
I bet we could scrape it off and go do one more.
you're gonna mess up that.
It's fine. Nobody likes shirts anyway.
Well, it's too dark. We need a
It's
white
too dark.
shirt.
Yeah, it wouldn't matter
No.
anyway. So we gotta have a white
I'll
shirt.
do this another time. Then
We'll
give
do
it
it
to him
again.
for his birthday. Sorry, Cash, but
You.
No.
everyone.
All right. Well, with that failure, we are closing the vlog. Do not make a mess of that because that will end up all over the carpet. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Technologia.
Let's have a present from Cash.